Strategic planning is the title of session 6. We titled this session Strategic Planning because it's now time for you to do some planning strategically for the future. The first assignment in session 6 is a journal activity. By now, you should be used to how these journal activities work. This journal is going to ask you to look at the difference between high school and college. No matter if you're still in high school or you've been out of high school for many, many years, I'm assuming by now you are realizing that high school and college are very different. So that's what we're going to look to today. There are 3 resources in the journal that you will click on and read through. These 3 resources talk about how college and high school are different. You will then copy and paste these 5 questions into your journal entry. Remember, in your entry box, you will paste the format. And your answers, once you type them, need to be in a different colored font. As a reminder, make sure that your responses are thorough and you've answered enough that shows you have done the review of the items that talk about the differences between high school and college. Once you're done with your journal, make sure to click the blue Save Changes button. Then we'll return to the main screen of Moodle. The major assignment that you will do this week is entitled Career Soft Skills. When you click on this link, you're going to see that you're going to access the template here. Remember, you have to make a copy in order to see the assignment. This assignment is entitled Career Soft Skills. Now, soft skills have a lot to do with many additional skills, such as people skills, communication skills. It does involve character traits or personality traits. It involves attitude, social intelligence, social skills. So these are the things that we call soft skills because they aren't things that necessarily require a degree for. Soft skills are massively important in your career field, though. We often hear from employers that when they're hiring people, they're looking at their credentials, so their certifications, their degree, their experience. But a lot of times employers report that the firing of employees have to do with their soft skills. So maybe they didn't show up to work on time. Maybe they don't work well with others. That is why it's so important to make sure that your soft skills are developed. What you see on the screen is how you will be graded for this 100-point assignment. Remember, 100-point assignments do make a difference in your grade. So for this assignment, you're going to type into the template and answer each question that you're asked. You'll identify a career that you potentially could be focusing on for your future, or you can just identify one that you're going to focus on for this assignment. You're going to do some research on soft skills, and you're going to define soft skills in your own words. You're also going to explain why having soft skills is important. Make sure that these things are written in your own words. Finally, you're going to complete this chart. You're going to identify 5 soft skills that you need for the career that you're going to focus on for this assignment. You're going to explain why that skill is important for that particular career. And you're also going to explain how you're going to demonstrate that you have those skills in the actual job. You'll finish up here with a reflection. Make sure that you're answering thoroughly in complete sentences in paragraph form. Final reminder, this is a 100-point assignment, so you want to make sure that you are giving this assignment enough effort. When we return to our ACA course, you're going to see that there's some information at the bottom of session 6. Now, this is about an assignment that is due in session 8. Don't discount this information this week though, because this assignment is going to take a few weeks to get completed. So as a review, session 6 has 2 items for you to submit: the high school versus college journal and the career soft skills assignment. In addition to submitting those 2 assignments, you do need to watch the advisor meeting assignment directions video and review the 3 parts of the advisor meeting assignment so you know how to plan best for the next 3 weeks. And as always, if you have any questions about any part of the session assignments this week or the advisor meeting assignment, please send me an email and reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer your questions or help you in any way.